Seems like there's quite the little crooked operation being run out of this joint. Look at you, bringing justice back to the prison system.
Floor's empty. Door's wide open.
No silent alarms have gone off. Watch your back.
What's a couple of bottom feeders doing at the station? Doing a deal without cutting us in? Think we don't have friends in high places? They expect a cut, too.
No! I told you already. It wasn't a deal. We got called, man. Someone
Fuck that
tricked us.
trick. Stop lying. We warned you before. Think we won't leave you for dead, too?
I can't take no more. I'll tell you what I know. I swear. Please, man, I swear.
And your buddy? What happened to him? Where's he now?
I don't fucking know. They got him. Come on, give yourself up. Whoa. Stop fire! Stop fire! You're making this worse on yourself. Give me your face. Come on. I saw him over there. Officer down. Push down. You're open. Stay down. I think I got him pinned. Watch him. I need backup. Get back in cover! Now, stop fire! Where the hell is my backup? Shots fired! Stay on and get wounded! Officer's been shot!
Yeah, that's right. You got it, I'll be right there. If you're gonna do it, do it!
Help, man!
Go on, finish it! Finish it! Fuck me, he killed them all!
I didn't sign up for this. Let's go. Fucked! I'm in trouble, Head!